Ever since I started doing it, I cannot stop. And the reason is you, me, and millions, we want maximum Shiba Inu, Cronos, Bitcoin, whichever token you want to include, returns. We want the best possible entries and exits so we can make money and become millionaires. And the question is not when to buy, right? But when to sell. And I understand there's like a negative connotation to selling, right? But here's the deal. Like, what are you trying to do, guys? Are you trying to hold for the next bull run? Are you trying to get some money while we wait for it? Are you just trying to passively invest? It just depends, right? Nobody's the same. What I've been trying to do for a while is trade. And two successful all-ins on Shiba Inu. So far, close to $2,000 in returns. Not much, actually, but I like it because I'm not losing, right? So little by little, we're winning. And I'm going to tell you, okay, so when am I supposed to buy now? Well, I'm showing right now on the screen what I used to buy, and I'm happy that I have some track record. You can see the buys, the sells, and it's not always perfect, right? It's not always perfect, everything that I've done. And ever since the 16, right here, all the way to today, which is the 23rd, I'm showing you everything. So for the last week plus, I have done two all-ins, which I have waited. Sometimes I didn't buy when I should have, but it's the magic. Now, Shiba Inu holders is not gonna be perfect. Don't feel bad if you cannot buy at the like at the exact time that you need to, because nobody's watching the charts every single day, right? But just to give an idea, one, two, three. I did two all-ins out of three clear opportunities to make money. Two out of three, I think that's good, right? I mean, if I would have done one or zero, then I'm not doing good my job. Once again, take a look at this. I bought here, guys. Instead of selling here, I sold here. What a noob! Because I was starting to get to know my indicators, Lux Algo, and just kind of like in the trading space, right? There was a 16, so that's obviously over a week ago. Now I feel way more relaxed. I feel that I know a lot more. And I should have waited, bro. Like, dude, like I would have made so much money, guys. But I bought when it was collapsing on the 23 and I sold like on the 25, not knowing that I had all this to go. Then this when I lost it, and this one it's when I became a little bit more pro and I bought here and I sold here. Look, I didn't sell at the top, but I did sell here, and look at where the price is right now. This is to tell you that don't take it too seriously, when you're starting, because a lot of people, might get frustrated. It's all right. It's the way Shiba Inu rolls. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. I want max returns on my positions. On Cronos, I'm doing long term. I'm not really trading it. I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm trading a little bit of Ethereum, Pepe coin, Floki, Shiba Inu, and from Cronos, right? Give it a like if you know that one. All right. But the one that I'm doing the most is Shiba Inu. Right now, this is the money that we have to play around, $52,000. Everybody, that was $50,000. So we have added $2,000, right, roughly, into our portfolio for more purposes. Right now, I have $36,000. There you go, in USDT that I'm just holding and waiting and chilling, right? If for some magical reason by the end of this clip, Shiba Inu drops all of a sudden to 2.3, it is 2.7 right now, I will immediately buy everything with all $36,000 Shiba Inu. And you might tell me, well, Oscar, can it go lower? The answer to that is, of course, it can go lower. But because the way this works is me and millions of people around the globe have trading alerts, triggers, bots, they will buy immediately if that happens. I don't have to think twice. It's not like, no way, it's crashing. I'm sure people are not gonna buy because everybody thinks it's gonna go lower. No, it takes a while for it to go lower. It takes a couple of hours, couple of days, so the trend continues. But in the short term, in the trading minuscule short term of a couple of hours or even minutes, it as soon as it drops, heavily, you will see as soon as we pass the Lux algo indicators, the first link down below is this and more indicators. Basically, the number one on TradingView that you can use. A lot of people, over 30 people, have signed up, which I'm pretty grateful, right? That people are supporting the channel. Check it out, guys. I think you're gonna love it. It will come back up. It will come back up because that's the way it rolls, guys. Right now, in the 15-minute chart, which I'm playing that one, you can tell how I bought here around 26, and then I sold around here. I sold it in the live. If you were watching the live earlier today, I gave you guys the chance to see me selling at the very end of the live. So it was great because if you remember how I was waiting 28 never came while I was live. I sold, and look at this. I went to do my business, went to the gym, I was chilling with the wife, went to 27, low 27. You might tell me, well, Oscar, you're basically playing one, like 0.00028, 0.00027. You're playing that range. Exactly. But that, buddy, it's a 5% difference. And when you have $50,000, $10,000, 100, I mean, you have a big amount of money. Those little percentages make you money. And 5%, that will be $500, which is not bad, right? So you do five. I mean, you're using an exchange like BingX that can help you pay less in fees, and you can still get some positions ahead. Obviously, the trend is that SHIBA INU is going to continue going down in the macro, but it works. Now, if you want more confirmations, you can always go in the 1 hour, but you will see this. If I'm waiting on the 1 hour to go and follow the same as the 15 minutes, I have never seen all the way till the 19. But other than that, I haven't seen SHIBA INU touch the bottom, which means I would have lost buying here. I would have lost buying somewhere here when it comes eventually. You see? So the way I do it, and you can do even 30 minutes, but take a look at how 30 minutes works. 30 minutes, in my opinion, I mean, it's the 22nd. So it could be also another one to take a look at for sure. I mean, could be a little bit just another stepping stone in your analysis. 15 minutes. I guess in the 15 minutes, you sometimes get closer to this. Instead of seeing 4, you see 2 of them. So you kind of get to see more opportunities, a closer look. You're not in the 1 minute because look at the 1 minute. I mean, are you ready for this? This is the 1 minute, guys. This is the 1 minute, like absolutely ridiculous. It's kind of make you dizzy. Like this is a lot. People trade the 1 minute. You don't really make so much money. You are in the 1%. I mean, realistically speaking, it's not really that much unless you have $1 million and then you can make a lot of money, which makes sense. 5 minutes people play it, guys, as well. I guess it's better, but I have found that the 15 minutes keeps me roughly 10%. 10% is great for me, and that's the best way to answer this video's question: when to buy. When you get this Lux algo indicator here at the bottom touching the bottom of the reversal pane all the way to the top of this pane, and it works like magic. Now, it didn't touch this one. Now, I see this blue and this red. In a way, it is my first barrier to break. You see how it was coming here and it broke it? So it indicates that we're going to go lower. Take a look at this. You see how it's trying to break and it broke it and it went higher. It broke it, it went lower. It broke it, it went higher. And it was respecting the line until we touch this up top and then finally come back down. This is what you can find on Lux Algo, and I think I'm just loving it. So guys, don't really feel too much pressure if you are learning. It is part of the journey. That's basically what I'm using, and I already so far successful. So now I'm gonna start my third all-in. Like and subscribe so you stay tuned. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.